everyone, I hope you are well. A few days ago, I read an article in a newspaper saying that glitter is one of the trends in makeup that needs to die out in 2018. Now, if you guys know me, if you've been watching my videos, then you will probably know that I'm a huge fan of glitter. Not the big chunky glitter that look like you've taken it from your kid's art kit, but the really fine, very subtle micro shimmers, or uh, the glitter that is really tiny in size and just looks very magical on the eyes. So that is the kind of glitter that I really like, and I personally feel that you can rock glitter no matter what your age. It just depends on how you use it, how you wear it. So this video is a little attempt at showing you different ways in which I like to wear glitter, and which you can also wear glitter on your eyes, and why I feel this is a trend that should not die out in 2018. Now, I'm not going to be talking about body glitter or glitter in your hair or even on your lips. Like I love glittery, shimmery lip glosses, not glittery, shimmery lip glosses, which have really fine micro shimmers in it. But I do not like big chunky glitter on the lips. Firstly, I just feel it's not very appealing looking, except in a magazine spread or in an editorial shoot. But I also feel that it's not good to put such big chunky particles of glitter on your lips because you might just ingest them. So I'm just going to show you a few ways in which I like to wear glitter on my eyes, and I hope that that helps you as well. And I really hope that you enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's just get started. I have a full face of makeup on except for my eyes. My eyes are bare, and that is why I'm going to show you the first way in which you can wear glitter on your eyes. Okay, so before we get started with the makeup, let me just tell you what are the kind of glitters that are available. Besides the loose glitters and pigments, of course, that is something that I'm not very comfortable working with, so I tend to avoid those. I just prefer to use products that are easier to work with. And the easiest way in which you can add bling, or you can add a bit of glitter and shimmer to your eye makeup, is with glitter eyeliners. There are loads and loads of brands available in the market, and there are lots of colors available as well. Some have really shiny, chunky particles of glitter in it. Some are really fine micro shimmers. Then you have powder eyeshadows like this NYX Love You So Mochi palette, in which you have really fine glittery eyeshadows like this one and this one and this one. So I'm not sure if the camera is able to capture the glitters, but they're really fine shimmers and glitters in it, and when applied on the eyes they look just beautiful. Then you have cream eyeshadows, something like my favorite ColourPop ones. So you have these cream eyeshadows which have loads and loads of glitter in them. So you have these glitter eyeshadows. These are the ColourPop Super Shock ones, and they are loaded with glitter and micro shimmers in them, and they look beautiful. They look like a million times better in person than they do on camera, because the camera simply does not capture the magic of glitters very well. You also have liquid glitters like these ones. Again, these are from ColourPop. I love ColourPop. This is not a sponsored video. I absolutely love ColourPop. ColourPop doesn't even know of my existence. But you have liquid glitters that are very convenient to use and very easy. They stay very well. Stila has them as well. So does this Korean brand called Touch and Soul. They have liquid glitters as well. So that's another one. And finally, of course, you have glitter pastes, which is actually big chunky glitter and not really that safe for use on the eye area, but you just have to be careful with that. So let's start with the quickest way to wear glitter, which is as a wash of shimmer all over your eyelid. And for that, I'm taking this one. This is the golden one from the NYX Love You So Mochi palette. You might have seen it in one of my recent videos where I did the wedding makeup look, wedding guest makeup look, and it is a lovely texture. It's not really powder, but it's got a very pretty texture, and You can work very well with it with your fingertips. You don't really need a brush for it. So you just lightly apply it all over your eyelids, add mascara, and that's it. And that is your first very simple, very basic glitter look done. Let me zoom you in a little bit. So that is your first look done. It's very simple, very basic. It's a light wash of shimmer and glitter on the eyes and a little bit of mascara and you're done. Very simple and looks good too. Now the next thing that you can do is to add shimmery, glittery eyeshadow only on the outer corners and crease of your eyes. So most people would say that that's why you should use a matte eyeshadow. I personally don't agree with that. I mean, you can use glitter, why not? It looks good. So let's say you have a simple satiny eyeshadow all over your lid. I'm just going to apply that on top of the one I already have. Again, I'm using this same NYX palette. I'm using this soft beige shade from that. So you have a satin finish eyeshadow on your lids. You can use a sparkly eyeshadow in the outer corners and crease of the eye. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it does look really, really nice. Can you see that? I think it looks lovely. And then you can take that same shimmer and apply it onto your lower lash line. Like I said, and I keep repeating, it's very difficult for the glitter to show up on camera, but trust me, it looks simply stunning in real life. And if you have a party or a wedding or if it's a festive occasion, it just looks gorgeous. So that was the second way in which you can add glitter, just on the outer corners of your eyes and on the lower lash line. Again, like I said, this is not very chunky glitter. This is very fine micro shimmer and it does look very, very nice. Very simple, easy to do, wearable as well. You're not looking like a shiny disco ball. It's not looking very obvious. You will not get very conscious thinking, oh my god, are my eyes looking too sparkly? It just looks really nice. The third way in which you can wear glitter is on your lower lash line. Just really sparkly glitter like this Colourpop Supernova shadow that I absolutely love. I had done this one for an event once, and I got a lot of compliments for that. So all I'm doing is taking that glitter and applying it onto my lower lash line. So there you have it, a very thin line of glitter on your lower lash line, and that also looks really, really nice. Now, in case you are not comfortable even with that much, then all you can do is simply add a pop of glitter to the inner corner of your eyes. This just brightens up that inner corner and it looks good, and it's very simple, quick, and a small way in which you can add a little bit of bling to your eyes. And now we come to the final way in which you can wear glitter, which is my personal favorite, a full-on glittery smoky eye. I have done a couple of tutorials on that, but that is my absolute favorite way to wear glitter eyeshadow. I just love it. I love smoky eyes, and I think a glitter smoky eye just looks awesome. It just looks fabulous. And just to give you one small little hack, if you're using any kind of glittery eyeshadow and you want to change the undertone or you want to change the intensity of it, just layer it with an eye pencil. I'll show you for example. So here I have the copper eye pencil from Nudestix, and here I have the black one. And I'll show you just how much of a difference it makes when you put a glittery color on top of it. or actually any kind of eyeshadow. You can change any kind of eyeshadow just by that. So I'm taking this one from the Jelly Match eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Wavelength, and I'm just putting some on this copper one, and you can see the difference. Can you see the difference in color of both? Like this one really brings out the purple in that. This one looks more peachy, pinky. So that is a tip that you can do, you know, when you have eyeshadows and you want to kind of change the undertone or change the color of it, just layer on a different colored eye pencil underneath it. Use that eye pencil as a base, and then put the shimmery eyeshadow on top, and you will be able to change the color. So again, I'm taking that black eye crayon from Nude Stakes. And then I'm taking that same shade Wavelength. So can you see that? It's just one eye pencil and one eyeshadow, and you have a glittery smoky eye. You just darken the edges a bit, and voila, you're done. Just go over it on the lower lash line as well, and you have a beautiful glittery smoky eye. Yes, there is no transition shade right now, but this was just a quick demo just to show you how it would look. So I just finished doing the other eye as well, and I don't know if you can see how beautiful it looks. Let me just try putting a little bit of flash, and I'm not sure if you can see the glitter, but can you see it under the flash? So that brings me to the end of this video. These were just very simple, very quick tips to encourage you to try glitter in your makeup, because I know for a fact that there are so many women who love glitter, who love shimmer, but are apprehensive about how it would look on them. They think that, you know, it would look a little too OTT. They think it would not go with their age. I think you're never too old to wear glitter. I think it would look good no matter what your age. And if you are apprehensive, you can always try incorporating one small element of glitter into your makeup, like I said, you know, in the inner corner, or maybe on the lower lash line, or maybe a really sheer wash of glitter in a very, like a neutral color. You know, there are many ways in which you can do it. If you're afraid of going full on smoky glitter like I have done right now. As always, I have also tried to keep my makeup very minimalist, very realistic, because I know for a fact how difficult it is when you have to juggle your household responsibilities, when you have a lot of other work to do, when you have kids to look after, and yet get ready for a party or a wedding. I know it is really, really difficult, and most of the times we do not have more than 15-20 minutes to get ready. So all my makeup looks are catered at being really, really quick and very simple and easy to do. I do hope you like this video, and if you have, please do comment below. Let me know how you plan to incorporate glitter into your makeup look, and also if you have any other feedback, any other suggestions for me, I would love to hear that. And if you know any other glitter lover who would appreciate this video, please do share it with them, because I would love to encourage women to try and play a little bit more with their makeup looks. It's just makeup. Have fun with it. And please do subscribe to my channel, because that is what gives me the maximum motivation. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye. Before I go, let me just see what this glitter paste would look like on the lids. Ooh, that looks amazing. That certainly looks gorgeous. Can you see that? I hope it's getting captured on camera, because it looks amazing. I'm loving this. I'm a total glitter lover.